Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are fine. So, the topic for today is comparing numbers. Comparing two numbers means finding out whether one number is greater than or less than or equal to the other number. So, here are some symbols used for comparing two numbers. This symbol is used for greater than. This symbol is used for equal to, and this symbol is used for less than. We need to use one of these symbols to compare two numbers. Now, while looking at greater than or less than symbol, I used to think about the symbol as a big mouth that is always hungry. It wants to eat the biggest amount, so the open side should always face the biggest number. Now let us take some examples to know more about these symbols and learn to read them. So here is a first example. We can see that a less than symbol is used in this example. Now we can say that 12 is less than 43. Now let us look at another example. So which symbol is used here? Yes, it is a greater than symbol. So we can say that 65 is greater than 80. Now let us look at another example. So here an equal to sign is used as both the numbers are same and equal. So we can say that 51 is equal to 51. Now while comparing numbers, we need to use some rules. So here is the rule number 1. The number with more number of digits is greater. Now let us consider the numbers 97 and 405. 97 has 2 digits, 9 in tens place and 7 in ones place. And 405 has 3 digits, 4 in hundreds place, 0 in tens place and 5 in ones place. So 405 is greater number as it has 3 digits. Therefore we can say that 405 is greater than 97. Remember that the mouth of the symbol should face the biggest number. So here 405 is the biggest number. So the mouth of the symbol will open towards 405. Here comes the rule number 2. Comparing numbers using the place value. Now if the numbers have same number of digits, then we compare the numbers using place value. Let us take an example of 2-digit numbers 37 and 47. We will start comparing from left side digits. So first we will compare the digits in the tens place. So we will compare the number 3 in tens place from 37 and 4 in the tens place from 47. We can see that 3 is less than 4. So we can say that 37 is less than 47. So here the mouth of the symbol will open towards 47 as 47 is the greatest number. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we will compare numbers using place value for 3-digit numbers. Let us consider the numbers 513 and 527. Now we will compare digits of the numbers from the left side. So first we will compare the digits in the hundreds place, that is 5 from 513 and 5 from 527. Now we can see that the digits in the hundreds place of both the numbers are same. So we will compare the digits in the tens place. Now we have 1 in the tens place from 513 and 2 in the tens place from 527. We know that 1 is less than 2. So 513 is less than 527. The mouth of the symbol will open towards the greatest number, that is 527. Now let us take another example and compare the numbers using the place value for 3-digit numbers. Let us consider the numbers 837 and 835. So we will do the same. We will start comparing numbers from the left side. First we will compare the digits in the hundreds place, that is 8 from 837 and 835. Here we can see that the digits in the hundreds place of both the numbers are same. So we will now compare the digits in the tens place. We will compare 3 from 837 and 835. Now again both the numbers are same. Now we will compare the digits at the ones place. So we have 7 in ones place in 837 and 5 in ones place in 835. And we know that 7 is greater than 5. Therefore, we can say that 837 is greater than 835. We know that the mouth of the symbol will open towards 837 as it is the greatest number. Now children, open page number 77 of your book and we will practice to compare numbers. Let us start with question number 1. Fill in the circles with greater than, less than or equal to symbols. Also read the number sentence aloud. In the A part, we have two numbers, 67 and 70. So now we will compare the digits of the numbers from the left side. So we have 6 in 67 and 7 in 70. We know that 6 is less than 7. So we will put a less than symbol here. Therefore 67 is less than 70. Okay, since 6 is less than 7 in tens place, we will write 67 is also less than 70. Now let us look at B part. So here we have two numbers, 55 and 52. So first we will compare the digits in the tens place. We can see that we have 5 in tens place in both the numbers. So the digits in tens place are same. Now we will compare the digits in the ones place. So we have 5 in 55 and 2 in 52 in ones place. We know that 5 is greater than 2. So we will put a greater than symbol here. So we can say that 55 is greater than 52. Okay. Now let us look at C part. So here the two numbers are 64 and 64. So here we have two same numbers. That means the numbers are equal. So which sign or symbol we will put here? Equal to symbol. Okay, since the numbers are same and equal, we will put a equal to symbol here. So 64 is equal to 64. Now let us do the D part. So here we have two numbers 25 and 35. We can see that we have 2 in tens place in 25 and 3 in tens place in 35. So first we will compare the digits in the tens place. We know that 2 is less than 3. So we can say that 25 will be less than 35. So we will put a less than symbol here. Okay. Now we will do the E part. So the two numbers here are 14 and 35. So first we will compare the digits at the tens place. We have 1 in tens place from 14 and 3 in tens place from 35. So we will compare 1 and 3. We know 1 is less than 3. So 14 is less than 35. So the mouth of the symbol will open towards 35. Now look at the F part. Here we have the numbers 35 and 25. Now which number is in the tens place? 3 and 2. We will compare 3 and 2. We know that 3 is greater than 2. So we can say that the number 35 is greater than 25. And we will put a greater than symbol here because 35 is the greatest number than 25. Now let us do the G part. So here the numbers are 92 and 89. Now let us compare the digits in the tens place. We have 9 and 8. Yes, we know that 9 is greater than 8. So which symbol we will put here? We will put a greater than symbol. We can say that 92 is greater than 89. The mouth of the symbol will open towards 92. Now we will do the H part. So here the two numbers are 12 and 15. So first we will compare the digits in the tens place. We can see that we have 1 in tens place in both the numbers. So now we will compare the digits in the ones place. So we have 2 and 5 in ones place. We know that 2 is less than 5. So we can say that 12 is less than 15. So the mouth of the symbol will open towards 15. Now let us look at the I part. Here we have two numbers 94 and 69. Now we will compare the digits in the tens place. We have 9 and 6. So we will compare the digits 9 and 6. We know that 9 is greater than 6. Therefore we can say that 94 is greater than 69. So we will put a greater than symbol here. Children, I hope you all are enjoying comparing numbers. Now let us practice some more questions on 3-digit numbers. So I want you to open page number 99 of your book. So here is the question. Fill in the boxes with less than, greater or equal to symbols. So the first question, we have two numbers 214 and 95. So we have learnt in rule 1 that the number with more number of digits is greater. So here we have 214 has 3 digits and 95 has 2 digits. So 214 has more number of digits, therefore 214 is greater than 295. So we will put a greater than symbol here. Okay. Now let us look at question number 2. So here we have two numbers 509 and 590. So first we will compare the digits from the left side. So we have 5 in the hundreds place in both the numbers. So now we will compare the digits in the tens place. So we have 0 in tens place from 509 and 9 in tens place from 590. So we will compare 0 and 9. We know that 0 is less than 9, so we can say that 509 is also less than 590. So the mouth of the symbol will open towards the greatest number, which is 590. Now let us look at the third question. So here the two numbers are 394 and 349. So first we will compare from the left side. So here we have 3 in the hundreds place in both the numbers. So we will now compare the numbers in the tens place. So we have 9 from 394 and 4 from 349. So we will compare the digits 9 and 4. So we know that 9 is greater than 4. So we can say that 394 is greater than 349. So we can put the symbol of greater than here, and we can say that 394 is greater than 349. Now let us do the fourth question. We have the two numbers 404 and 404. So here we have the same numbers. Okay, so we have the two numbers same, so they are equal. So we will put the symbol equal to. So we will say that 404 is equal to 404. Now let us look at the fifth part. So we have the numbers 372 and 375. So first we will start comparing the digits from the left side. So we will start comparing the digits from the hundreds place. So we have 3 in hundreds place in both the numbers. So now we will compare the digits in the tens place. We have 7 in tens place in both the numbers. Now we will compare the digits in the ones place. So we will compare the digits 2 and 5. So here we know that 2 is less than 5. So we can say that 372 is less than 375. So we'll put a less than symbol here. Now look at the sixth part. We have the numbers 894 and 896. So first we will start comparing from the left side. We will compare the digits in the hundreds place. So we can see that we have 8 in the hundreds place in both the numbers. So now we will compare the digits in tens place. Again we have 9 in tens place in both the numbers. Now we will compare the digits in ones place. So we have 4 and 6 in ones place. So we will compare the numbers 4 and 6. We know that 4 is less than 6. So we can say that 894 is less than 896. So we will put a less than symbol here, and the mouth of the symbol will open towards the greatest number, which is 896. Now let us look at the seventh question. So here we have the numbers 987 and 789. So first we will compare the digits in the hundreds place. So we have 9 and 7 in the hundreds place. So we will compare 9 and 7. Yes, we know that 9 is greater than 7. So which symbol we will put here? Yes, we will put a greater than symbol. So we can say that 987 is greater than 789. Very good. Now we will do the eighth part. So here we have the two numbers 260 and 265. So first we will compare the digits in the hundreds place. we can see that we have 2 in the hundreds place in both the numbers. So now we will compare the digits in the tens place. Yes, again we have 6 in the tens place in both the numbers. So what we will do now, we will compare the digits in the ones place. So we can see that we have to compare 0 and 5. We know that 0 is less than 5, so we can say that 260 is less than 265, and the mouth of the symbol will open towards the greatest number, which is 265. Now let us look at the ninth part. The numbers are 401 and 401. Yes, both the numbers are equal. So which symbol we will put here? Yes, we will put an equal to symbol here. Very good. Now let us look at the 10th question. So here we have the numbers 372 and 327. So first we will compare the digits in the hundreds place, and we can see that we have 3 in hundreds place in both the numbers. So now we will compare the digits in tens place. Now we have 7 and 2 in the tens place. So we will compare the digits 7 and 2. So now we know that 7 is greater than 2. So 372 is greater than 327. So the mouth of the symbol will open towards the greatest number, which is 372. Now look at the 11th question. We have the numbers 150 and 150. So here again we have the same numbers. So which sign we will put here? Yes, we will put an equal to sign here. So 150 is equal to 150. Now look at the last part, 12th part. So here we have the numbers 485 and 586. So first we will compare the digits from the left. So we will compare the digits in the hundreds place, that is 4 and 5, which are in hundreds place in 485 and 586. So we know that 4 is less than 5, so we will put a less than sign here, as 485 is less than 586. Okay, I hope you all have learned how to compare numbers. Now I am waiting for you to quickly finish today's classwork, and then I'll be sending you your homework. Thank you, class. Have a good day, everyone, and God bless you all.